Here we will discuss about fractions in lowest terms. The terms of a fraction are the numerator and the denominator. If you divide the terms of a fraction by the same number, called the common factor, you will get an equivalent fraction in its lowest term. Here we will learn more on reducing the fractions in lowest terms. If you divide the numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor, you will get the fraction in its lowest terms. You can also divide the fraction by a smaller number, then another smaller number, and so on until the fraction is reduced to lowest terms. Test for equality of two fractions. Two fractions a by b and c by d are said to be equal or equivalent if a multiplied by d is equal to b multiplied by c. That is, numerator of first fraction multiplied by denominator of second fraction is equal to numerator of the second fraction multiplied by the denominator of first fraction.